Well, a powerful winter storm is hammering the Northeast this morning. More than 40 million Americans are under blizzard warnings right now, in fact. Let's take a live look at Seaside Heights in New Jersey and look at the snow coming down. Multiple states, including New York, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, have all declared states of emergency as this storm pushes up to 2 feet of snow and threatens coastal flooding. New York City is facing its worst blizzard warning in nearly a decade. There's a ban on non-essential travel now in effect at airports across the Northeast. Nearly 3,500 flights were canceled Sunday, more than 7,000 delayed, and more cancellations, as you can expect, are going to happen today.
They canceled my flight, and we're currently on a standby list, but I'm 20 in line.
I've been sliding through pretty much every light, unfortunately.
Roads are very dangerous this morning with icy conditions across the region. Warmer temperatures are forecast by the end of the week, but for now, officials are urging everyone to stay home and stay safe.
Well, I'll tell you what, if that system was maybe a month or so ago, yeah, we would have had a lot more snow. Temperatures, though, generally around 40 degrees for most of the event here until it started to cool off by the afternoon a little bit. Right now, we do have a winter weather advisory still in parts of the northern neck east of town. That's where there was a little more impact from the system. But blizzard warnings, yeah, all in white there, right up and down the northeast coastline. But for us today, it's still going to be a windy day, a colder day. Winds will be gusting to maybe 40 plus near the Chesapeake Bay, even up into Tappahannock potentially in some of those areas. Here in town, probably 30 plus at times throughout the day.